You're going to really control a lot of your digestive symptoms. If you get bloating or anything like this is just going to assist in that. I am coming back to review the Nutricost Digestive Enzymes. Now, I've been taking this now, I believe, for over a year. I found that this is best for me. Now, I have IBS-D, just a lot of stomach issues in my family. Whenever I eat, I'm lactose intolerant. So this actually helps all the different foods that I have problems with. And I just found that Nutricost has the best overall price and it works really well for me. Now, I have a few other items that I always take with this. I'm going to do another video that I'm going to have on Amazon. You'll be able to see all the different things I take for IBS-D. So if I'm having a meal, I'll take between 1 and 3, depending on how many carbohydrates are in there, how much protein's in there. And this does help me digest it. I always bring it with me and it usually saves the day. I'm going to put a list of ingredients up on the screen. These aren't huge pills, but they're not super tiny either. I don't have any problem taking them. As soon as you start eating the meal, take one of these, not before, not after, just with the meal. You're going to really control a lot of your digestive symptoms. If you get bloating or anything like this is just going to assist in that. And with somebody who has a lot of stomach problems, adding this with some of the other stuff that I take really has made a huge difference in my life. So take a look at the Nutricost Digestive Enzymes.